The medieval forerunner of chemistry is called alchemy. A person who presents a radio-television program is called an anchor one. Who studies the evolution of mankind is called an anthropologist. A person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft is called an astronaut. The scientific study of the physiology, structure, genetics, ecology, distribution, classification, and economic importance of plants is called botany. A person who draws or produces maps is called a cartographer. A person who writes beautiful writing is called a calligrapher. A person who composes the sequence of steps and moves for a performance of dance is called a choreographer. A person employed to drive a private or hired car is called a chauffeur. A person who introduces the performers or contestants in a variety show is called a compeer. A keeper or custodian of a museum or other collection is called a curator. The branch of biology concerned with cyclical physiological phenomena is called chronobiology. A secret or disguised way of writing is called cipher. The study of statistics is called demography. The use of the fingers and hands to communicate and convey ideas is called dactylology. A person who sells and arranges cut flowers is called a florist. A line of descent, traced continuously from an ancestor, is called genealogy. The therapeutic use of sunlight is called heliotherapy. The art or practice of garden cultivation and management is called horticulture one. Who supervises in the examination hall is called an invigilator. The theory or philosophy of law is called jurisprudence. A person who compiles dictionaries is called a lexicographer. The scientific study of the structure and diseases of teeth is called odontology one. Who presents a radio program is called a radio jockey. The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing is called rhetoric. The branch of science concerned with the origin, structure, and composition of rocks is called petrology one. Who studies the elections and trends in voting is called a psephologist. An artist who makes sculptures is called a sculptor. The scientific study of the behavior, structure, physiology, classification, and distribution of animals is called zoology.